Welcome back to the session, children. So, in this class, we are going to see the remaining part of the story. And before seeing that, we will have a recap of the previous classes. So, are you all ready to read the last part? Okay, we'll start the class. Recap. So, unlike the previous sessions, in this session, we are going to have a recap with the help of the pictures. So, with the help of these pictures, we are going to recollect whatever we have learnt in the previous classes and then we are going to narrate it. Shall we try? Okay. The first picture shows Sunil and Anil. So, who were Sunil and Anil? Sunil and Anil were twins. They share their same birthday, same bedroom. They had same friends. They played with same toys and they also played for the same football team. Right? Yes. Who are called as twins? Children of the same parent who are born on the same day. Two children born on the same day of a same parent is called a twins. Got it? Okay. So what is the next picture? Sunil and Anil are standing outside. And what is the red color vehicle over there? Do you remember? Yes, it is the toy wagon. So one day, Sunil and Anil went outside to play. They took their red toy wagon with them. Both the boys loved the wagon very much. But they wanted to do different things with the wagon. Sunil wanted to give his stuffed toys a ride using the wagon. So, do you know what is a stuffed toy? We discussed in the earlier classes. Yes, stuffed toy is a toy animal that is stuffed with cotton or any other soft material. So Sunil is holding in his hands. So he wanted to give his stuffed toys a ride. Whereas Anil wanted to collect rocks using the wagon. So both the boys started fighting with each other. Yes, they started arguing. What is meant by arguing? Arguing means speaking very angrily. So, when mother heard them, she came outside and she told them not to fight, but they have to take turns with the wagon and share it. So, when Sunil is playing with the wagon, Anil has to wait, and when Anil is playing with the wagon, Sunil has to wait. So the boys did the same. The third picture. What do you see in a third picture? You can see a kitten. Kitten is the young one of the cat. So one day, mother brought home a pet kitten. How many pet kittens? One or two? One. Seeing that, what did the boys ask? They asked that they want one kitten for each one of them. They didn't want to share the kitten. But mother said, I am sorry, but you must share this kitten. And also, she told them that they have to feed the kitten and make sure the kitten does not get into any problem. So the boys were asked to take care of the kitten. So earlier Sunil and Anil shared the bedroom, shared the birthday, shared the toys, shared the same friends. They played for the same football team. But now they are asked to share a work as well. The work of taking care of the kitten. So let's see how they are taking care of the kitten and what happened after that. Yes. A few days later, the kitten got into mother's knitting basket. In just a few minutes, the kitten had scattered balls of yarn all over the room. So a few days later, the kitten got into mother's knitting basket. Knitting basket is a basket containing the ball of yarns. As you see in the picture, ball of yarns are placed in the basket. Yarn means wool. So the kitten got into the basket and it scattered the yarn everywhere. Scattered means throwing in different directions, throwing here and there and creating a big mess. So Anil saw the kitten playing with the yarn. So who saw that first? Anil. He quickly went to find Sunil to tell him what the kitten had done. So one day the kitten got into the mother's knitting basket and it started throwing the balls of yarn everywhere, all over the room. So Anil only saw this first and he quickly went to Sunil and told him what had happened. Got it? Yes. Oh no! It is our job to clean up the mess, cried Sunil. Mess means something which is not in order, which is very dirty. As you saw in the previous picture, all the balls were thrown here and there on the floor and the room was looking very dirty, right? So Sunil is telling it is our job to clean up that mess, clean up that dirty place. The boys quickly picked up the yarn and put it back in the basket. When the mess was cleaned up, Sunil and Anil saw that the kitten was playing with an orange. They quickly made the kitten her own toy from a piece of yarn. So Sunil said to Anil that it is our work to clean up the mess. When the boys cleaned up the mess, they found that the kitten was playing with an orange. So if they leave the kitten like that, it will create a mess with the orange also, right? It will throw the oranges also here and there. So they thought and made a toy for the kitten using the yarn, that is using the wool. Just think, Anil, 2 kittens would have made a bigger mess, said Sunil. So after making a toy for the kitten, Sunil is telling Anil, just think, Anil, we asked mother for 2 kittens, right? If we have had 2 kittens here, it would have created a bigger mess. So one kitten itself has made the room very dirty like this. If we have had 2 kittens, it would have made a bigger mess and it would have made all the place dirty. That is right, laughed Anil. Maybe sharing is not so bad after all. So Anil also agreed to what Sunil said and he is telling Sunil that Sharing is not so bad because if each one had one kitten, they would have found it very difficult to clean the dirty mess that the kittens make, right? So, since they had only one kitten and there were two boys, they easily shared the work and cleaned up all the dirty mess that the kitten had made. And they were also able to take care of the kitten. Yes? So, sharing is not so bad. Sharing means helping each other. Hope you understood the story, children. New words. First one, scattered. 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 Yarn. 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 Quickly. 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 Mess. 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 Clean. 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 Laugh. 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 Meanings. Wagon. As we already discussed, it is a vehicle with four wheels used for carrying things, used for carrying goods. Arguing means speaking angrily. Scattered, thrown in different directions. Yarn, yarn means wool. Mess, dirty or untidy state of things or place, means the place is very dirty. Understanding the text. The first one. Mother brought home a dash for the boys. The options are puppy, kitten. Second one. The kitten had scattered balls of dash. The options are yarn, thread. Third one. Anil saw that the kitten was playing with an dash. The options are apple, orange. So let's check the answer. The first one is kitten. Mother brought home a kitten for the boys. Second one is yarn. The kitten had scattered balls of yarn. Third one is orange. Anil saw that the kitten was playing with an orange. Got it? Yes. Think and answer. In the story, would Sunil and Anil share their birthday if they were not twins? So the question is, if Sunil and Anil were not twins, would they share the same birthday? That is, will they have the same birthday? So, only twins will have the same birthday, right? Twins means two children of the same parent who are born on the same day. So, if Sunil and Anil were not twins, will they have the same birthday? No. So, the answer is no, they would not be sharing the same birthday if they were not twins. Clear? Okay. Now, this we saw in the previous session, the homophones. So, we'll do one more exercise on that. Tick the correct word from the brackets. First one, this dash, we will go for a holiday. The options are year, year. So which year? YEAR. This year we will go for a holiday. Second one. We should not dash food. The options are waste, 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 waste. So we should not waste food, waste, waste. Third one, my sister has long dash. The options are HAIR, hair, HARE, hair. The right answer is HAIR, hair. Next one, Reena ate the dash apple. The options are HOLE, whole, WHOLE, whole. Right answer is WHOLE, whole. That is full apple. Next one. The teacher told the students to walk in dash. The options are PEARS, pairs, PAIRS, pairs. So the right answer is PAIRS, pairs. That is walk in twos. Sixth one. A lion has a dash. The options are MANE, mane, MAIN, mane. The right answer is MANE, mane. Last one. A dash has 7 days. The options are WEEK, week, WEAK, week. The right answer is WEEK, week. A week has 7 days. Clear, children? Okay. Now, let's have a revising session. The first question. Sunil and Anil were dash. Sunil and Anil were twins. Mother bought a pet dash. What did she bring home? Pet kitten. The boys were tired of dash everything. So what were they doing? They were sharing everything. The kitten messed up the balls of dash. So balls of yarn. The last one. Anil said that 2 kittens would have made a bigger dash. So bigger mess. Clear, children? Okay, with this we have come to the end of the session and end of this lesson as well. Let me summarize the story for you. This lesson is all about sharing. So sharing is a very good habit, children. It makes everyone happy and it makes you happy as well. We have to share our things, our ideas with everyone. We can also share others' work so that it will be of great help for them. So we started reading a lesson about twins named Sunil and Anil. They shared everything, that is their birthday, their bedroom, their toys. They had the same friends and they also played for the same football team. So the twins were tired of sharing everything. So one day they took the toy wagon and went outside to play. But they wanted to do different things with the toy wagon. So both of them started fighting because Sunil wanted to give his stuffed toys a ride and Anil wanted to collect rocks. So they started arguing. Hearing their argument, their mother came outside and asked them to share the wagon and take turns. the boys did the same thing. So later one day, mother brought home a pet kitten. So the boys asked for a kitten each. But what did mom tell? She said, I'm sorry, you must share one kitten. She also asked the boys to take care of the kitten, feed the kitten, and make sure it does not get into any problem. So now the twins were even sharing a job. So later one day, what happens? The kitten jumped into the knitting basket of the mother and scattered the yarn everywhere and made the room dirty, made a big mess in the room. So Anil found it and he informed Sunil. Both the boys cleaned the mess together, and they found that the kitten was playing with the orange. So they made a toy for the kitten using the yarn, and then they realized that if they had two kittens, as they asked the mother, it would have created a bigger mess than this one, right? One kitten itself has made the whole room dirty. Imagine if there were two kittens, it would have been a bigger mess. So the boys realized that sharing has made their work easier and sharing is not so bad. So children, you should also learn to share your things with others. Okay? Hope you enjoyed this story. I'll meet you in the next video.